Okay, hello, Supernova Watch 2000 here. Time to get a little bit more serious. Now, we all have known that there has been small and big, whatever you can call it, volcanic eruptions on the Canary Islands, well, below it, in the ocean. Now, there's been a lot of explosions. 1492, don't want to look for that. No. Okay. So, here we go on USGS. So now, let's see. Worldwide real-time earthquakes. Now, let's look for the Canary Islands because having a lot of issues there. Let's look at this. The 4.9. Was it in the Canary Islands? Where was that? Do not know. Oh, the Azores. Never mind. Okay. USA earthquakes. Just gonna look here. We have some in the last hour, but they're very small. Last week we've had a big one in Arizona. I think it's Arizona. Nope, that's New Mexico. Hey, 3.5 in Mexico. Hey, why are we worrying about Mexico? Why? What's this big one? What's this big one right here? 4.0, is it just a 4.0? Is that all we're dealing with here? Yeah. But, alright, getting a bit more serious. Canary Islands. Canary Islands. Now, something going on with it right now? Well, we shall see. On Wikipedia. Yes. The best source for everything. Wikipedia. Just kidding. Most likely the worst. But still, it's a location. It might not be the worst. See, this is the Canary Islands. There are two islands we're worrying about. There's La Palma and El Hierro. This one we're worrying about the most because, well, that one, if you can notice, never mind. But, yeah, not that. Since we can't zoom anymore, La Palma. La Palma. There. Now, La Palma is just one of them. This is the one we're most worried about because, well, there's a giant crack in it. Oh, hey, I'm gonna go get a new island. This one's got a crack in it. Yeah, it's gonna be kinda hard to do. But, cannot find a picture from air. Wait. Might be there. Alright, this is the caldera of it. If you look right here very carefully, there is a giant crack. And this is the crack we're worried about because that crack could possibly landslide into the ocean, making a very, very big and bad. Big and bad. Why am I saying big and bad? Okay. Tsunami, about 300 feet tall. So us in Concord here could probably have beachfront property. Yeah, that'd be nice. Hey, I'm going to the beach. Okay. See you in a couple hours. Yeah. But then again, it would take away the beautifulness of Concord. Then again, we'd have the beach. Yeah, 10 feet away. I'm going to the beach. Volcano. Let's look at this one. This is a volcano. It's a cinder cone. Now, just for a few yucks, caldera. Come on. So apparently here is a caldera. This is a caldera. So, let's look at a good picture of a caldera. Probably the Mount St. Helens volcano. Caldera. Yeah, it doesn't look like we have any good resources for it. But as you can see, this is a lake where water's filled up that caldera. Now, calderas are actually volcanoes that blow their top, and their top falls in, making a bigger hole. Sometimes there's ones 5 miles across. Miles. That's right. Alright. So, no. See Europe for calderas in the Canary Islands. That's so funny. So funny. It doesn't say it. It says look at Europe. Well, they're lying to us, people. Yes. This place is lying to us. See, Georgia, Greece, Iceland, Italy, Spain, Scotland. Where in the world is that one? This one. Right here. It's gone. You know that? The moon. The moon. It is the moon. The moon. Oh, it's our friend. Yes, it's our friend. Why in the world is there a second caldera page? So search. No. Paste. The moon. Now. As said on this caldera page, the moon has had volcanoes or something. It's our natural satellite. Let's see here. Name, formation, internal structure. Just give me a second. Craters. List of craters on the moon. Yes, exactly what we were looking for. So, references. See also. No. Okay, never mind about this. Let's just go to P. O through Q. Oh, hey. Let's look for the biggest one. 319. It looks like 319 is the biggest. Not being so serious here. But still, just wanted to do this for a few yucks. Look up Caldera and La Palma and Plank. Okay. Plank is a lot of them. Just saying that. Now, I will see you in the next video, as I will be bringing you probably some more info on the Canary Islands. And if we have any other solar stuff going on, we're going to bring you some of that too. Goodbye.